Okay, our final problem from this section can be a little bit tricky. You really do have to think your way through this problem. Okay, so this one says a theater owner wants to provide enough seating for 1,250 people. The main floor has 30 rows of 25 seats in each row. If the balcony has 25 rows, how many seats must be in each balcony row to satisfy the owner's seating requirements? Okay, so let's get an idea of what's going on here. Here we have this theater, and I'm going to try to draw sort of a little sketch of what's going on here. I'm going to draw in a theater like this, and I'm going to say here's my balcony and here's my main floor. Remember, one of our techniques for being able to solve application problems was see if you could make a sketch. Here's where that really comes in handy, if you can kind of get an idea of what you're talking about. Okay, here's our main floor, and it says it has 30 rows, so we have 30 rows throughout here. 30 rows of 25 seats each. So 30 rows, 25 seats each. Well, can we figure out how many seats that is right there? Sure we can. If we've got 30 rows of 25 seats each, that's a multiplication problem. So let's see, that would be 0. 5 times 3 would be 15. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. When we add those together, we would have 0, 5, 7. So that tells us right here that there are 750 seats in this main floor area. Well, now remember, we want 1,250 or 1,250 seats altogether. So how many does that leave then for the balcony? Well, we could do the subtraction then and find that out. 1,250, and I already have 750 seats. So let's see, that would be 0, 0. 12 minus 7 would be 5, so I still need 500 seats. Right? That's what I need for this balcony, 500 seats. Well, we know that there are 25 rows here in the balcony. So I need these 500 seats to be divided equally amongst those 25 rows. So think about what we just said. Divided equally amongst those 25 rows. So if I have 500 seats and I want to divide them into 25 rows, that's a division problem. 25 will go into 50 2 times. 2 times 25 is 50. So that subtract, we get 0. We have to drop our next term, which is a 0. 25 goes into 0 0 times. So we have no remainder. 20 times 25 is 500. So this tells us now that we have to have 20 seats in each balcony row. Now you could always, if you wanted to double check yourself, you could. If we had 20 seats in each row in the balcony, that would be 20 times 25 would be 0, 10, 0, 4, so that's 500 seats. And then if we added that to the 750 that are in the main area, we get 1,250. You can always go back and check yourself to make sure that you're correct.